Ready to push your style boundaries? Today we're going to learn how to tie the Trinity Knot. The Trinity Knot is a fun novelty knot, great for casual occasions. Start by draping the tie over your neck, adjusting it until the narrow end is longer than the wide end. The exact length will vary by person and necktie length. Cross the narrow end of the tie over the wide end, and then bring it under and through the neck opening. Now cross the narrow end behind the wide end, and then bring it through the neck opening again, this time going over. Bring it behind the wide end again, then cross it over the wide end in the front. Go up through the neck opening once more, then pull it through the loop formed in the front. Now comes the tricky part. Take the narrow end and bring it behind and around the wide end, then pull it through the loop at the top. It's now time to tighten the knot. Tighten the bottom of the knot by pulling on the top loop. Pull the side loop to tighten the top, then pull the end to tighten the side. Repeat until you're satisfied. Bring the knot up to your neck by holding the wide end while pushing the knot up with your other hand. Tuck the end of the tie behind the neck loop and under your collar. Your tie should rest between the top and middle of your belt line. If it's too short, start over, making the wide end lower. If it's too long, start with the wide end higher. The Trinity necktie knot is a fun knot that's a great conversation starter. This is a great one to add for casual occasions.
So for step 1, pinch the thick side to create a dimple. Now take the thin side and bring it across and over the dimple. Next, bring it under and up through the loop and pull it towards the same side. Now you're going to bring it under and to the other side. Bring it up and loop it through, and then you'll pull it through to the same side. Now you'll see a little heart forming. Next, cross it over the heart to the other side. Oh, my heart's been tried. Now bring it under and up through the loop, then pull it through the knot. I see now just how wrong I was. No, I haven't known you from a lifetime. Now here's a little hint. Keep the upper loop a little loose. So next, bring the thin tie under and over to the other side. And now you're just going to pull it up and through the loose loop. Straighten out the Trinity knot by keeping it loose. Next, just take the thin tie and tuck it under the neckline. Now pull your shirt collar down and you are complete.